Hello everyone. Today we are doing Don't Touch the Color for the 50th time, for me at least. Don't touch the color blue, including me. And this map is full on blue as you can see. Blue, just blue, alright? So we got this. Maybe. Probably. Whew. Whew. Oh, what? I hate when my hand does that. Don't touch the water. And I'm so glad they changed the color of the rope, or else this would be hard. This is white, not blue, okay guys? So, according to my calculation, jump off that wall onto there. Yes, I got it. Yes, yes! Oh my god. Now I just gotta go. Yes! 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 I did it! I did it! Oh my god! We did it, guys! Oh my god. After 50 years. This, I couldn't touch. My favorite color. I literally couldn't touch that. But now I can. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, so beautiful.